This video demonstrates Jellyfish integration with AWS for performing BYOK, which stands for Bring Your Own Key. The purpose of this integration is to allow you to securely generate keys or key pairs in the Jellyfish/Cogito Group HSMS and be able to securely import into your cloud environment, which in this case will be AWS. The first step is to log into your AWS console and navigate to the KMS or Key Management Service page. Then navigate to Customer Managed Keys and create a new key. Select the properties for your key. In this case, I'll select Symmetric and Encrypt and Decrypt. In the Advanced section, select External Import Key Material to allow importing the key from an external source, which in this case will be the Cogito HSM. Keep it as a single region key and select Next. I'll give it a name and won't put any tags on it for now. Allow the generic API user to use this in this case, but this will be dependent on your own deployment. Same for the key usage and quickly review. It's a symmetric key with encrypt and decrypt operations with that name. Select Finish. This has created an empty key because we are going to import the key from Jellyfish. This is just a placeholder on AWS. We need to download the wrapping public key. This will allow the user's key on the Cogito HSM to be end-to-end encrypted all the way to the AWS HSM. In this case, we'll select RSA _ 2048. For the sake of this demo, we'll select the algorithm RSAEs _ OAEP _SHA _ 256, which stands for Optimal Asymmetric Encryption Padding, and SHA 256. Next, we'll download the wrapping public key and import token. We'll open this in File Explorer and extract the contents. We are left with 3 files, a README file, which I recommend you read, as well as an import token bin and a wrapping public key bin. The import token is used for AWS to figure out where to import the key. The wrapping public key bin is the actual public key, which in this case is RSA 2048. This is the key that will be used in Jellyfish to wrap your user key. Next, we'll navigate to Jellyfish and scroll down Key Management, then Key Generation. Here we'll generate a key. I'll select a symmetric key. You need to ensure that the key type is the same as what we generated in AWS. We need to enable key export because the key will be exported and brought into AWS. We'll give it a name. Select the partition. In this case, I will select the Encipher one, but it depends on your available options. Generate the key. The key has been generated and we can view it in the Keys and Configuration page. We can see the key here. Next, we'll navigate to Key Export and search for our key. Once selected, on the wrapping key defaults, select AWS. This will ensure the format is correct and AWS is happy with it. Once selected, you will see additional details that need to be specified. Select the wrapping key that we previously downloaded from AWS. There it is. Next, confirm that the wrapping algorithm is the same as what we selected on AWS. It is. We recommend leaving the wrapping key format and wrapped key format as default, but you can change them if you have specific requirements. Next, select Export. As you can see, we have the key.bin.wrapped file here, and this is the encrypted key. Next, navigate back to this page, which is on the AWS KMS console, and select Next to upload your wrapped key material. First select the wrapped key that was exported from Jellyfish, which is this one here. We also need to select the import token, which will help AWS figure out where to put the key. Verify that everything is correct. I will leave the expiration for this example, but we recommend that you use this. Then select Upload Key Material. We can see that our key is here. Demo BYOK 1 is a symmetric key with these permissions. This can now be used in your cloud environment for encryption or whatever other use case you need. This concludes our demonstration.